Good morning students, a hearty welcome to my channel S2Learn. In today's video, I am going to discuss about types of sentences. I have also discussed regarding sentence, okay, what is a sentence. You can watch it by visiting my channel S2Learn. So, let us start students. Yes? Okay. So now a sentence can usually be in the form of questions, or it can just be a simple statement, or it can be any command or request, or a statement which expresses any emotions. Okay, so based on this the sentences are divided into four categories. That is, first one is declarative, second is interrogative, third is imperative, and fourth one is exclamatory. Okay, so today I am going to explain you it in a very simple way. I have not taken any complex definitions or sentence structures and all. This is just a simple explanation of types of sentences so that you will be able to understand it in an easy way. Okay, so students, let us start. Yes? Okay, so starting with the first type of sentence, that is declarative sentence. Now, a sentence that states or declares something is called as declarative sentence. As the name suggests, declarative sentence declares something, or I can say a sentence that makes statements. Okay, simple statements. Okay, and it ends with a period or full stop. Okay, so these are the two things for a declarative sentence. Okay, that it makes statements or it declares something. When you read that sentence, you will get an information, a simple information through that sentence, and it always ends with a full stop. Okay, so this is an easier one for you students to identify. Okay, so see, I have written examples here. English is my favorite subject, full stop. Okay, so this is just a simple sentence. Here I have no made any questions or any commands or requests or nothing you can find. This is just a statement which is giving you or stating you some information. Okay, that is, English is my favorite subject. Coming to the second one, he loves music, full stop. This is also a simple sentence. Yes students. And the third one, the sun rises in the east. Okay, so these are the simple statements which is ended with a full stop. So we can say these three are the examples of declarative sentence. Okay students, clear with it? Yes? Okay. Moving to the second type of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. Now, a sentence in which questions are asked is called as an interrogative sentence. So, this is an easier one for you students. Yes, because it's a simple sentence which is asking you any questions, and it is always ended with a question mark. Okay, so if you find a sentence which is asking you any questions and is being ended with a question mark, then that is an interrogative sentence. Okay, I have jotted down some examples here. What are you doing there? Okay, so a question is being asked. Okay, and it is ended with a question mark. Coming to the second one, did you see her? So a question is been asked whether I saw her or not. So it's been ended with a question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. Third one, where are you now? Okay, ended with a question mark. So this is also a question ended with a question mark. So I can say this three are the types of interrogative sentences. So what are two things you have to keep in mind? That first is whether the sentence is asking any question. If yes, whether it's ended with a question mark. If these two things are fulfilled, then it's a interrogative sentence. Coming to the third type of sentence students, it is imperative sentence. Okay, now what is imperative sentence? A sentence through which an order is given or a request is made or a suggestion or advice is given is called as imperative sentence. Now, what order is given means when a teacher tells you to be quiet, or you have to do this within this time period. Okay, an order has been given to you, or to get out of the class, such orders. Okay, sometimes a request is made, sometimes you tell someone to please help me with this. Okay, sometimes an advice has been given. So this is an easy way you to identify what is an imperative sentence. So what imperative sentence, okay, mostly ends with a period, but sometimes it ends with an exclamation mark. So you have to take care of this, okay, because exclamatory sentences, which we are going to discuss in further, okay, that the statements ends with an exclamation mark. But in imperative sentence, sometimes it is possible, okay, depending upon the delivery of the sentence, it can end with an exclamation mark, but mostly it's ended with a full stop. Okay, students, you have to take care of this in imperative sentence. So you can see the examples. First one is clean your room. Yes, this is an imperative sentence, students. Okay, please be quiet. That, for example, a request is made like please be quiet. Then the third one, see, it's ended with an exclamation mark, because the delivery of the sentence, you see how and strong delivery is made. Get out. Okay, so it's ended with an exclamation mark. Now you can't say this is an exclamatory sentence. No, because an order has been given. Okay, that is get out. So this is an example of imperative sentence. You have to take care of that, okay, while deciding on imperative and exclamatory type of sentence. Coming to the last and the fourth type of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses joy, sorrow, surprise or sudden emotion is called an exclamatory sentence. Okay, sometimes you say what a beautiful picture it is. Okay, then sometimes you express your joy like hooray, hippie, using many words. You can use many sort of words for exclamatory sentences. Certain words are there, okay, so it is easy for you to identify the exclamatory sentences. For example, first I have given here what a beautiful day, ended with an exclamation mark. Okay, so second one, I have expressed joy here, hooray, exclamation mark. India has won the match. Now I have written here that it ends with an exclamation mark, but sometimes you can find here also at the beginning also, depending upon the delivery of the sentence. Okay, so I have taken two examples here, that is what a beautiful day, and second one, hooray, India has won the match. Okay, now we will move down to a short exercise, okay, depending on types of sentences, just to see whether you have understood it clearly or not. I hope all students can see this exercise. Yes? Okay. Read the heading. Identify the type of sentence for the following. So there are 6 sentences. We will identify one by one. Coming to the first sentence. Mars is a red planet. Now when you read this sentence, whether you can find any question, students? Yes? No? Okay. Whether you can find any command or advice? No. So that means this is just a simple sentence, okay, ended with a full stop. It is just expressing a statement, a simple statement which is giving you some information and is ended with a full stop. So this will be, students, which sentence it will be? Yes, you have said it right. It's a declarative sentence. Coming to the second one, kindly help me. See, this sentence only shows you that a request is being made. Kindly help me, ended with a full stop. So this is an example, or this is which type of sentence, students? Imperative sentence, because in imperative sentence the request and command or anything else is made. Okay, coming to the third one, how old are you? Now simple this is, okay, you can see a question is being asked and it's ended with a question mark. So I have told you, if these two things are satisfied, then it is a interrogative sentence. Yes? Okay. Coming to the fourth one, see how an emotion is being expressed. What a fine morning. Okay, ended with an exclamation mark. So directly you can say that it's an exclamatory sentence. Okay, getting it, students? Yes? Okay, coming to the fifth one, the cow eats grass. Now this is just a simple statement giving you the information that the cow is eating grass. Okay, so it's ended with a full stop. So it's an example of declarative sentence. Yes, students, you are cleared with these 5 sentences. The sixth one, read this amazing book, ended with an exclamation mark. I want you to comment me in the comment box. Okay, which type of sentence is this? This is just a homework for you students. I want you to comment me in my comment box which type of sentence is this, whether it's a declarative, whether it's an interrogative, whether it's an imperative, or whether it's an exclamatory. So please answer it me in my comment box, students. I hope you find my today's video informative. Okay, this was just a simple explanation on types of sentences. So if you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel S2Learn so that I can make more videos on English grammar. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share to other students also. Thank you for watching my video, students. Bye. Take care.